Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. Today I wanted to film a really casual favorites video. Before we get into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. So if you guys don't know what Squarespace is, I'm going to talk a little bit about it here. It's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. Stand out with a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything, your products, content you create, and even your time. So right now I'm going to be using my Squarespace as a blogging platform, which I'm so excited about. You can create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. And I can't wait to communicate with you guys on there as well. Squarespace's powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. Something that was always so important to me is connecting my social media accounts, display posts from your social profiles on your website, automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so your followers can share it too. And for anything that I start posting on my blog that maybe I don't also share on my YouTube, I can add a mailing list, get the right messages to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about most with a unique mailing list. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Lainey for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So I kind of wanted to do some like beauty lifestyle things because I figured that would be fun and fashion. So the first thing I have is this e.l.f. lash serum. So let me look how much this is. Anything I can link in the description below, I obviously will. Okay, on Amazon, this is $7.88. I'm pretty sure on Ulta it's cheaper. I have been a die-hard lash serum girl probably since 2017. I have used lash serum. I don't have anything on my eyelashes, and I don't have like naturally long luscious eyelashes, but I have had really nice long eyelashes the past couple years, and every time I stop, I'm like, why am I stopping? And other lash serums are around like 20 bucks, and this being like $6, $7, $8, it works exactly the same. I don't know why I tried this. I heard somewhere that it was the same ingredients as like the higher end ones, and I wasn't using, that's the thing, I wouldn't use my other ones because I didn't want to run out and have to repurchase. This I use morning and night if I remember, or I'll just use it once a day. And literally I noticed how much longer and more full my lashes look. Some people say that this causes, like any of the lash serums, make your eyelashes fall out. Your eyelashes are on a 30-day cycle, so they fall out naturally, but I've never noticed that my eyelashes fall out with any serums. My body reacts really well to it. So lash serum, I put this on and then I don't feel the need to put on mascara or honestly any makeup. I haven't been wearing makeup in the longest time, and even if I were to go out and like, you know, get dressed up and do something in the summer, the most I'll do right now is put on blush to look a little bit more awake and alive and alert. But I'm gonna do a whole video on how I look put together in the easiest ways possible, and like this is one of those things, just having nice eyelashes without makeup. Okay, next thing we have was recommended to me by my hairdresser. I need to get a haircut, so don't judge this haircut. But it's this BB Bumble and Bumble thickening spray, and I have bangs and really bad colic, and before when I would do my bangs, I would have to brush them. I've done a video on it where I like basically give myself a comb over when they're wet and like stick them straight to my forehead. So I washed my hair today. I did not blow dry it or anything. They just dry flat, and I'm not joking. My colic, like it used to stick straight up. I just kind of like douse my bangs in this. Preps your hair for blow dries, but she recommended it to kind of tame my colic, and it does. I have another really bad colic back here, and I spray this back here and it also keeps that down. So if you have, you know, issues with your bangs or colics or stuff like that, you spray this in your hair when it's wet, and then it just gives it a bit more like sturdiness to go where you want it to go, if that makes sense. So I love that. And I'm not a hair care person. I just, you know, shampoo, conditioner, but now I do that every single time. I always use it. And I've literally barely used any, and I've had it since I got this haircut February. No. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, next thing is another lifestyle, and I've been using these for like months now. This is like my half year favorites. I can do another one at the end of the year. This is the Necessaire deodorant gel, and it's fragrance free. It's this liquid gel, and then the top is this rolly ball. They didn't send this to me. I bought it with my own money. I think it's like 15 bucks, which is kind of expensive for a deodorant, but it's a really nice glass bottle, and it's lasted me so long. I am very sensitive to smells now. I've always been sensitive to smells, but I used to be able to wear like scented deodorant and perfume, but they just give me headaches now. So I was looking for a good fragrance-free, like natural deodorant, especially with holding a baby all the time and like her breastfeeding basically in my armpit. I didn't want, you know, like secret deodorant up her nose. So I found this. I found really good reviews on it, and they have a eucalyptus scent, which I've never tried because that doesn't appeal to me. This is the only fragrance-free deodorant that has ever worked in my life besides this one other brand that discontinued that I used in high school. I will definitely be repurchasing this. I've obviously used a ton of it, but like I said, it lasts so long. I love it. I have to order it on Sephora, and I'm normally somebody who like, if I have to order something online, I'm not gonna buy it again and like repurchase, but this deodorant I will. I guess we're going into fashion. I love my Birkenstocks. I have the fake Birkenstocks. I forget what the brand is, White Mountain or something weird. I got them from Famous Footwear. They don't stay on my feet that well, so I was obsessed with the Birkenstock Jill Sanders collab, but obviously those are like so expensive, sold out, you can't find them. So when Doc Martens released this style, I was like, absolutely. They're a suede, just like a Birkenstock is, and then it's got this little strap that either folds forward and like looks more like a Birkenstock, or you can wear it as the back strap, and that's how I like to wear it. I saw a lot of mixed reviews on these, which I kind of get. I got mine in a size 8, and I'm normally like an 8.5. I would honestly say size down a full size because they run pretty big and the suede stretches, and that's what happened to me. This little strap fit perfectly on the smallest size when I got them, and then they come in black also. Like, I want the black pair too, but the strap was on the small size, and then as I was wearing them for walks and, you know, day-to-day life, I've worn them every single day since I got them basically. They're the perfect summer sandal for someone who doesn't like to show toe. This stretched and then it got too big, but my dad has a belt hole punch, so he was able to give me an extra hole closer to the end. So I bet you can buy one of those on Amazon. I'll try to link it below. But now they're perfect again, and I wear them all the time. I think they're so cute with dresses, with athletic shorts. In the winter, I can see myself still wearing them because they've got a really nice sole. They're just such nice quality. Doc Martens never fails. Okay, the next fashion thing is something you guys have seen me wear all the time, and I literally don't have it because it's in the dirty clothes, because I wear it every single time it's clean. I put it on, especially when it's so hot out, is my Cindy Peachy Den set. I think you guys told me that this is sold out, which is so upsetting because it's literally my favorite thing ever. It's basically just like biker shorts and a comfy top, and I like that the top holds me in. I don't have to wear a bra with it, but I can still like lift my shirt up to breastfeed in it. It's not like a, you know, a wrestling one-piece little suit. Yeah, because those are pretty annoying to take down to even pee, but they're cute. But yeah, my Peachy Den Cindy set, it is amazing. Peachy Den is just like one of my favorite brands ever, so hopefully they release more colors, and if they do, I will literally purchase those immediately. I bought the Cindy set with my own money. They didn't send it to me. I saw the like promo for it, and when I set an alarm for when it was being released, and I purchased it. So I love the Cindy set. Another thing that's not technically on my list because I just recently got it is a capri length unitard. I don't know why I don't really like the biker short ones ever. I never end up wearing them, but I have a capri length one now from Aritzia. I think it was like 20 bucks. It was on sale during their summer sale, and I just decided to purchase it on a whim, and I, again, have been wearing it. I don't have it because it's in the dirty clothes. I've been wearing it every time it's clean. I think it's so cute in a capri style. I don't know why it speaks to me more. Okay, next three things are grocery category, which is funny that I even have this category. I am a cold brew coffee drinker through and through and through. I've like made my own in college. I have tried every brand, and recently I've been so obsessed with the stock cold brew. It's the like greeny blue package. I'll put the picture here because I don't have it because I drank my last bit of it today. I don't even want to go to the like store and I don't even want to go to Starbucks or like Dunkin' anymore and get a coffee. If I do, it's because like I just want to get out of the house. I have been loving my cold brew at home. I don't put any milk in it, nothing. I drink it black, but it's so good. It's not just like Dunkin' Black Cold Brew is gross. Stock Black Cold Brew, it's so good. It's not bitter at all. You guys have to try it. And like obviously you can add whatever milk and creamer you like to it, but even plain, it is so good. I am obsessed. I go through so much. Anytime I go to the grocery store and they have it, because they're always sold out, I literally pick up like 3 of them because I need to stock up, no pun intended. Okay, the next thing is something that I've been loving since I was pregnant, and they're these limit sticks, LMNT. If you're somebody who if you're somebody who doesn't like liquid IVs because they're too sugary, that's me. If I was hungover and I had to drink one, like it made me want to just throw up because they were so disgusting to me. So I found these limit sticks. I don't know what they're called, because I was very dehydrated during pregnancy, and I don't know, my mom found them for me and told me I needed electrolytes. So I would drink one of those a day and all my symptoms from dehydration during pregnancy subsided. But if you're pregnant, don't listen to me, like ask your doctor about it first. My friend Amanda, who's also pregnant, she started drinking them because I recommended them to her. I'm less wary to recommend something to a friend than to like you guys, because a friend could, you know, call me up and be like, you're stupid, but you guys, I guess you could DM me that I'm stupid. They're like basically liquid IVs with the electrolytes, with magnesium, with, you know, sodium. They have a ton of sodium in them because that's what hydrates you, but without all the sugar, and the sugar would give me a headache. I'm very sensitive to super sugary and super like scented things. They give me headaches and make me nauseous immediately. So these limit sticks I'm obsessed with. They're kind of expensive. I get them on Amazon once in a while, and I don't drink them every day now because they're expensive. I'll drink them like once in a while because I'm still like super dehydrated from breastfeeding. Literally with my cup. I found this at the dollar store. It's 2.22 liters. I don't know why I looked. I know that by a fact. I made my mom get one. Amanda has one now, and we all drink these like obnoxiously large cups. They look like those big gulps. So I want to add my little limit sticks to these. I like to add them to a ton of water too, so they're diluted, because I literally hate sweet things. You guys know I drink those like Bloom greens also. When I drink Bloom greens, I water it down so much because I like the taste of it, but I like it watered down. I drink super watered down lemonade. Like if I get lemonade from a restaurant or something, I wait till my ice melts because that's how I like my lemonade. I think my mom did this to me because when she used to give me apple juice when I was little, she would literally give it like a 4th apple juice and the rest would be water. Okay, and then my last thing on my list is also for breastfeeding. I'm sorry, but maybe it's entertaining to some of you. On the 4th of July, we had a little get together here, and I had 2 beers, which is fine for breastfeeding. I didn't feed right after, whatever, none of your business. The next day, my milk production was through the roof, and my mom had told me at the beginning of pregnancy that they used to say beer would increase your milk production. And I just kind of thought it was an old wives' tale or just like old people talk. Sorry, Lisa. And I never really thought twice about it, but then it happened to me, and I was talking to like neighbors and other people, and it's totally a real thing. I looked it up. It's the barley in beer can make you produce more milk, and I've been trying to restock my freezer stash of milk if I ever leave Lou or, you know, something happens, because I had a freezer stash and it all defrosted when we lost like power for basically a week in Michigan. Okay, where am I going with this? Again, Amanda told me that there was a thing, alcohol-free beer. It has 0.5% alcohol in it, which is like the same as a kombucha. And I don't think you should really, if you're breastfeeding, you know, drink 1 million a day. But if I want to pump the next day or even pump that day, or just I feel like I'm not making enough milk, I'll drink 2 alcoholic-free beers. I get the Labatt one, and they taste like real beer to me. Now they taste like beer doesn't taste good anymore because it's like my medicine. I need to drink it to make more milk, but alcohol-free beer. I've been on a kick of it, so there's that. Okay, and then there is one more thing that I wanted to say. This is a long video, but my little Kindle, I forget that I haven't talked about this yet, especially when Lou was taking longer naps. I just wanted to lay down while she was napping because I was tired. I am tired. So I didn't want to just like sit on my phone, and sometimes, you know, your brain is just going a mile a minute. You can't close your eyes and sleep even no matter how tired you are. So I was reading books, and I just like didn't have enough. When I would finish one, you know, I like to pick up the next one. I love this stupid little Kindle. I have a little pop socket on the back. I got the smallest one. It's like $100 on Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And I love that you can download samples, and it's not just like a chapter or the first 10 pages. Sometimes you get like 20% of the book in a sample, and I've read probably 50 samples and then I just like never download the book because it doesn't sound good to me. But it's so much better than buying a book and then you feel so guilty about you know, not finishing it, and then it puts you in like a reading rut and you never want to pick up a book again because you're like, that was the stupidest book I ever read. You read a sample of it, you don't waste any money on it, you don't even own it, you don't have to read it, and then you just get to do another sample. I love reading samples. Like, it's so much fun to just get these little snippets of stories and never finish it. Yay! And those are all my favorites. This was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have more fashion content coming soon. Some stuff that's just like taking, you know, more than one sit-down video to film, which is fun. And yeah, thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.